Hello, this video tutorial discusses the essay from the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 17, Test 1. It is important for people to take risks, both in their professional lives and their personal lives. Do you think the advantages of taking risks outweigh the disadvantages? This 8-band score essay has been written for you by IELTS Levine, your online IELTS instructor. You can reach me at ieltslevine@gmail.com. Like this video if you found it useful. You may subscribe for updates and comment for queries and clarifications. Take a moment to read the question once again. This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, discussion para 1, discussion para 2, and opinion. For this essay, I feel that taking risks has more advantages than disadvantages. Form the introduction in 3 steps. 1. Rewrite the topic in your own words. 2. Give your opinion. And 3. Mention what you will write in the essay. It is considered essential for people to take risks, not only in matters related to their profession, but also in their day-to-day lives. In this regard, I feel that there are more advantages as compared to the disadvantages of doing so, and in this essay, I will discuss the reasons for my opinion. Now form discussion para 1 in 5 steps. 1. A para opening line. 2. Your first view. 3. Your second view. 4. The third view. And 5. A para closing line. I believe that it is essential for any executive to take chances at the workplace. It helps him to assess his capabilities by putting his knowledge to use beyond the scope of his day-to-day activities. And having successfully completed the risky task, he reaps the financial as well as the satisfactional benefit of his achievement. However, it is essential to study the nature of the risky task that one intends to undertake, as he will have to face the negative consequences in case of its failure. Thus, there are a number of merits to taking calculated risks in the field of one's work. Form discussion para 2 in 5 steps. 1. A para opening line. 2. Your first view. 3. A second view. 4. Maybe an example. And 5. A para closing line. I also consider that taking chances in a planned way in one's personal life can also be equally beneficial. Although life is full of uncertainties, it is pointless to live it without any courage or determination. Whereas, if people take courageous decisions after being adequately informed about the risk factors involved, the benefits of such decisions can be many-fold. A survey conducted by an organization of psychoanalysts revealed that people who took informed chances were happier, as their levels of achievements were generally higher. All of this once again reinforces my positive view towards taking chances in one's personal life. And finally, form the opinion para in 3 steps. 1. Begin with a phrase of conclusion. 2. Restate the topic. And 3. Give your opinion. Thus, as stated, making risky decisions in one's professional as well as general life is considered essential. And I feel that the advantages of doing so outweigh the disadvantages, as long as the individual takes into account all the elements of risks involved. The next and last slide will show the entire essay for about a minute. You may pause the video to read at your own pace. And once again, like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for updates and comment for queries and clarifications. Thank you for watching.